Hey, this is Erin from Creative Eye Chalk, and I decided to do a little series. I'm going to call it Decorating on a Dime because I keep thinking about things in my house that I would like to redecorate or demolish and start all over. My husband's grinning because he knows I'm serious. I would like to tear out walls, paint cabinets, all that kind of thing. But this year I decided I'm going to go more for decor and see what I can do just with some inexpensive decorating ideas that I have swirling around in my head. I had to really think about what kind of things appeal to me in terms of decorating, and decided that even though the farmhouse, grays, white, black, that kind of thing is so popular right now, I actually like more color. I like flowers, birds, dragonflies, butterflies, all those kind of naturey things really appeal to me more. So one of the things that I'm hoping to accomplish is to lighten things up. My kitchen especially is pretty dark. I just want to lighten that up. I want to start at my front foyer and come back to the kitchen dining area and onto my back porch and just have that look more cohesive, just more planned out. So I think today I'm going to show you my back porch, what I want to do here, because that's actually my favorite spot in my house is my back porch. And I'm going to start here, and then tomorrow I'll show you some of the other things that I'll be working on over the rest of the month. I'm really hoping to do several videos a week to show the process and hopefully encourage you guys who like decorating but don't really want to spend a lot of money. Just also encourage you to do the same thing. Pick one area, start working on it, do a couple things, and then that kind of motivates you to move on. So hopefully you'll join me. I'm going to show you my back porch and talk about a couple things that I'm going to be doing, and then the rest of the week or month I will be actually working on projects. Alright, I decided to go ahead and show you how real people live. This is my back porch at the moment. It's half wall, screened in. I love my ceiling fan and my ceiling. We had someone local do the back porch for us several years ago, but it definitely needs some work. So we have a couple things down here that we have to remove, but the kids, grandchildren, I tried to set up some spots for them, and then I have that little table which was intended for overflow for eating. Just expanded the dining room table out here because my family keeps growing. I have some canvases back there that I'll show you in a minute. And then, like, this room just tends to become the catch-all for everything. But one of the things that really struck me the other day was, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see this, I had to put up something on this side of the back porch because that's where the sun comes in. That's where the rain comes in, the sun comes in a lot there. It's where the sun sets, and the sun would even hit us all the way over here on the dining room table. When the sun's setting, it would just be too bright. So anyway, I made these really simple fabric panels, window treatments, whatever you want to call them, to help with that. But as you can see, the fabric is starting to wear. through. They've been up several years, and the sun just starts deteriorating the fabric. Oh, I didn't even see that. I even have a hole in one of them. So my idea, as many of you know, I am very much into chalk painting right now. And we also have inks where we can do fabric and clothing and that kind of thing. So I just had an idea that I wanted to do some of the ink on canvas drop cloth. And this one in particular I got at Walmart. And I'm going to cut this down into the panels for my curtains. And I don't remember how much that was, maybe $20. I thought I had a bright idea and got a smaller size and thought that would be even less sewing, but I don't know if you can see this. The weave on this is much thicker than the weave on this. I don't know if you can see that, but I really don't think this is going to work because I think that things will bleed too much on that fabric. So I'm actually going to use this as my window treatments. I thought that it would be inexpensive, but it's the color I was looking for, a little off-white or creamy tan, whatever you want to call it. I didn't want to go total white back here because you know, there's pollen, it is outside, it's screened in, and I just thought it would get too dirty too quickly. So it'll be interesting. I'll be doing a little bit of sewing and a little bit of ink projects on that. And then I also want to take the same fabric. I told you I want to do make things a little more cohesive. And I have some pillows that I'm going to head and recover. And then this is my favorite chair for devotions and stuff like that. But I have these little cushions back there that I'm going to start pulling things together. There's my dragonfly pillow. But anyway, I'm going to start pulling things together and make it look like the room was planned rather than we just added one more thing that I found on a yard sale site. And then in order to bring this out into the other areas of the house, I will be doing some other things with this canvas and or the same designs that I'm using on the back porch. I haven't totally planned everything out, but everything's a process. Hopefully you'll join me and tell me what you think. And I know some of you are very creative that you'll even give me good ideas. Thank you.